Yeah, welcome everybody. This is the October, what, 4th? 5th. It's October 5th. This is the fall LA yard swap meet, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to go down some of the aisles here. See what they have. There's some tree. Look at that one. Cotton ester looks really nice. These guys look familiar.
Yes. How are you?
Good. How you guys doing?
We're doing good.
What are you guys selling out today? Pot. Look at these pots. Awesome looking pots.
Thank you.
I really like that one. That's really cool. Check that one out. 55. Look at that. Oops. Look at that glaze. That's really awesome. Which one? Oh, big old pot now.
Yes. Please feel free to pick whatever you want up. Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you. Oh, some bougainvillea. Look at that bougainvillea. All defoliated, really nicely wired. Looking like deadwood. It's kind of cool. Awesome looking tree. People look familiar? Tools? You have any tools? Playing no tools? Good morning.
Morning.
I'm looking for Joshua Roth. Thinking, oops.
She wants
give him
to,
some
sure,
ideas.
If
Tools.
If she goes somewhere, she could live there and just be on campus. And
Yeah. That's the
My favorite ones are always these shears to use.
we can't get
Bless you.
charged.
Oh, check that out. Turntable. Always looking for them. That's a shiny turntable. Check that out. Spins like no tomorrow. Really cool. That's a really cool stainless steel.
no, I mean,
I think what's more interesting is not the stainless steel, but it's really the tweezers, the little wider ones. It's not the exact one we're looking for. Not a bad price. Looking for tools. That's Keith. Not Keith. There's Greg. Oh, look at those. Addendums. It's really cool. Desert rose. Flower here. Very cool. Some more desert rose. Leaf leaf. Go turn around this way. Other trees here.
Right after the he's that tree there.
I'm not sure this is front or back. I think this is the back of the tree. Let me go. Turn around here. Yeah, it's herbaceous plants. Not bad pricing. Oh, that's a crepe myrtle. I'm not sure what those are. This guy looks familiar. Well padded trees out, some junipers.
maybe there's a different variety.
You got some ficus in the back there. Burt DVIs. Some smaller Burt DVIs in that. He looks familiar.
So there's not native there.
There's some trees.
You know they're all over.
Not bad. Love it. Small showing.
Little like whole fiber.
Looking for portocarias. You got some portocarias here. That's a nice variegated one. I've never seen a variegated one. That's kind of cool. Thank you. Some orchids. You're looking for orchids?
Very nice.
Yes, it's okay.
I'm glad to
It's
see that you're doing
Cattleya.
it.
Oh, nice.
Big Cattleya, big flower.
Very cool. What's this? What kind of plant is this one?
Oh, this is Barbados cherry.
Oh, Barbados cherry.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Very cool.
Too many. For me, it's too many words.
I get it.
This guy looks familiar.
Hey.
How you doing, man?
What's up, Tom? Good to see
It
you.
is. Good to see you, man. Some really.
Check out the video.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Some really cool pre-made trees. It's always fun to see what people put them out. That's a nice. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's Chinese fringe tree. Here's Steve. Really cool. You've seen this tree before. There's an olive. That's really cool. Check that out. Really like that olive. The oak's really nice. Check that out. Nice pot too. Nice matching pot.
How would you describe it as funky?
Thanks, Steve.
Yeah, I wish I could get the cork feel. That was so cool.
Oh, so weird. Let's go down the second aisle here. Oh, this guy looks familiar. I think it's Mel. How you doing, Mel? How you doing, man? Nice seeing you, man. Nice seeing you. See ya.
How's your boys doing? Did they place?
Well, this is a side issue, but they came in second. They won an Innovative Award, so they got a place to go to the state championship. So February, I'm busy already. Thank you. Mel selling wire, every wire. Bulgavia's there. Probably has a secret of making a bloom. There's Mary. Hi, Mary. What kind of, is this a begonias? I think they're begonias. Anybody know in the comments? Put that in. I think they're begonias. No. Really cool accent plants. He has a azalea. It's blooming. Mine are like dormant already, overheated, stressed out.
Yeah, mine are shade.
Yeah.
Today they're like.
They're nice and blooming. There's some really cool olives here. Check us out. You got some olives that's on the ground. Some Doppy maples there. Really nice tree. Field grown Kishu. Thanks a lot, man. What kind of trees is that? I didn't recognize. Oh, musk maple. It has a little musty smell when you touch the leaves, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
Little flowers come out, the whole nine.
Awesome. Pretty cool. Nice trunk. Really nice looking trunk there. Something to work with. There's a nice trident. Socovias. That's really common. Really good shohin if you want to make something like that. How you doing, man? What kind of tree is this called? I keep forgetting. Oh, that's it's like the Madagascar native. I remember. Really cool tree. I've seen a couple in bonsai shows. Some Porticarias. Some really unusual plants here. That's really cool. I didn't even recognize that one. Give me a tell.
Big fan.
Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah.
That's really cool too. I forgot what has that flaky bark on that one. I really like that one too. Thank you. Looking for other trees, smaller. If you're looking for accent plants, really cool. Those leopard ones. Never knew what the name. You guys know a name of that one? Put that in the comments for me. Thanks a lot, man. Really cool.
You open them up, and there's actually one little seed in it. That's it. No way. Yeah, and it's like a little.
This guy looks familiar. What's up, man? Thank you for coming out, man.
Yeah.
Your boy. Look at your boy.
My wife Mel.
You guys have been traveling. I see you guys have been traveling. You've been a pickleball winner right there. Really cool ficus. That's really nice looking ficus.
Did you get a shot of the marsh over there?
Yeah, I had a chance. No, not yet. Not yet. This guy should look familiar. This is Mr. Shea's tree. Classic. Check out the branch structure. It's really unique. Usually have a really strong. Usually get a video of them. It's really cool. It's really cool. Even Porticaria's done the same style. Really cool. How you doing? Where's your dad?
He is around. I think
He's shopping, isn't he?
he always leaves me behind.
I like the responsibility. I like that one.
I know, right? We'll find him.
And then after
I thought you left.
go see my in-laws.
Well, he's back, and he has trees. Look, he has trees.
That's out, like
If you're looking for a certain Princess Persimmon, look at this. Look at the shape. So each Princess Persimmon will have a different variety, color, shape. It's really unusual. So if you ever collect them, there's a whole market for that one. That's really cute. Look at that heart shape. It's very nice. It's like teardrop. Bright yellow, orange. What color does it mature to?
It's red.
Red.
Almost red.
Almost red. Oh, that's really cool. That's unusual. What kind of tree is that one? I don't recognize.
Japanese jasmine.
Japanese jasmine. So does the flower?
White flowers.
White flowers. That's kind of cool. Really cool. How much is that one going for? There we go on the bottom. All right. Very cool. Might have to come back for that one. That's really cool.
My name is Ray Sercom with
Thanks,
the
sir.
Phoenix Bonsai Society. I'm a good friend of Tom Vaughn. I have most of his olives in my collection. If you ever make it to Phoenix, come.
All right. Thank you.
Check it out.
Thank you.
They're a really good garden.
Okay.
Oh, it's talk. Talk. Talk still has. Hi, Talk.
Hi.
I still have to go by your house. I still want to buy that one plant. So, check how he starts it off. I mean, this is where you kind of come. You look at, kind of see how he starts with a 5, and then they kind of split off. Not a bad price. This is what it kind of end up as, with continuous trimming. That's really cool. That's instant shohin, man. Instant shohin. This is what I was looking for. I won't tell you what it is, but I'll tease it for a while. It's not what you think it is, but it's a subtropical plant, has a fruit. I'll leave it as that. Thank you, Doc. He's one of the people who actually has that out here. I'm not sure this is the front or back. I think this is the back. What's up, man?
What's up?
We got to talk later. How you doing?
What tree is it? That's a viburnum.
He has some boxwoods, really cool in a clump style. Looking for that.
It's these tiny little white flowers, and if you put it at the same time, it'll do it.
Some herbaceous plants. It's really cool. So you're looking for something, and got a lot shopping. Here's another big vendor. Ooh, puppy. That's really cool. Check out this addendum. Look at that. Look how thick that face is. It's really cool. So you're living frost area, that's really hard to grow. For me, I had to bring it inside. I killed a couple already, so I learned my lesson. Scotch maple, some just regular maples or tridents. You're looking for some pots. That's some really cool looking pots. Check those out. I think that's really cool. I love the rim. Check out this rim. Look at that rim. It's really cool. It looks like they drilled it. Look, because they're all punched perfectly. It's really cool. I think that's kind of awesome. I like that one.
Floating around. I spread them out everywhere, but oh, here we go.
And
The website's almost done, so if you
I'll check out this glaze. I think that's unusual.
Yeah.
It's kind of
they'll release.
check out this.
Keep everything
You
really
see that
heavy
glaze?
at the bottom, so
I
trees
think that's
don't
really
blow
cool.
over. It's all stone.
I'll have to come back.
So it's good for all 4 seasons outside. Anyway. A lot of copper.
I think she sold out. Check that out. All done. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, we got, just this left.
Bougainvillea, and then if you need some fertilizer, BioGold is great if you ever use fertilizer.
Yeah, you know that?
Yeah.
Everybody we tell to get that.
It's expensive, but it does the job.
You don't buy this whole thing unless you're something like that.
Unless you have a lot of trees like we do. So that's a different story. It's a different story. You have a great day. These guys are familiar, man. How you doing? Oh, there he is. I was looking for Barry. Collection. If you're looking for pots, Barry got some pots for you. Just give you an idea. I wonder who. Oopsie. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna get that tag back. I dropped your tag. I'm sorry. I dropped your sales. It just dropped. Sorry, Barry. Good. Check. Oh, this is pretty. Knew it. Sunny Bogs. Check out that one. Really cool hand and glazed. Sorry, Barry. I dropped it right. Barry is known for his. Look, you can see he has a sale. He got some court oaks, silverberries. I am looking for a silverberry. Anyone got a really good silverberry? I am looking for one. Sold out. Look at that. Coming at 10 o'clock. This is what happens. Check out the black pine. That's how they call you for black pines. Here's Keith. Let's get a couple moments, Keith. Thank you, Keith. Thank you for putting this together.
Thanks for coming, Tom.
Anything to say?
Well, this is my 13th year doing the bonsai swap meet. This is my 3rd year doing it here in Arcadia, and I had a ton of people here early. And this year I decided to do 2 things new. I decided to have a free table over there at Steve Salesian's, and I decided to make sure that people couldn't buy before 9 o'clock to make it more fair for all of the buyers and all the vendors, because the early birds were stealing everything.
No.
But now we make sure everybody waits till 9 o'clock, and it's a mad dash to buy.
Awesome, man. And then we're here till about noon today, right? About noon.
Yeah, we've been here since I've been here since 6:30 in the morning, but the sale started about 9, and then we go here till noon.
Awesome, man. Thank you again for putting it together.
Thanks so much for coming.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it a lot.
Anytime, man. Low prices. I like low prices. I'm a sucker for sales. That's looks like a quince. That's not a
It's
bad,
quince.
not a bad quince.
And the white bluish pot is also another quince.
No, there you go.
They both flower pink flowers.
Ah, you're trying to sell out. I see. You're looking for that smaller pot. Check out these like trays. These trays are really useful, like water trays. You got bigger pots. Now, people wonder about buying about books. Books are really great resources if you're looking for like displays ideas, like looking for combinations, and then gives you an idea of like what trees match with what styles. So don't discount books. 1 or 2 books is great to have. So just an idea of that. Here's some Kathy Bomey pots. If you know what I'm talking about, Kathy Bomey pots are here. Not bad. Secret hits. Here's Peter. Peter's here with some of those trees. You can see some black pines from Peter. We have to go back and visit Peter soon. Here's some bigger trees if you're looking for a really massive, sycamore. That's a sycamore. Some bigger trees here if you're looking for. Looks like Javier. Margini bonsais, if you're looking for them. Very cool. And got last couple stalls here. Sorry, my voice is kind of off there. I'm just getting over I don't know what I'm getting over, but lost it for the last 3 weeks. Still haven't recovered yet. I might have to go back for that pot. That's a California. That's kind of cool. It's $7.50 for a California. Not bad. Pre-dug, healthy. That's what you're looking for. That's really cool, deadwood. Oh, that's kind of cool in the background. You notice that's like a ceramic work, and they actually interweave the roots into it, making a root over rock, or root over sculpture. It's kind of cool. And we got some, you're looking for some repairing pottery here. So Tintinki, which I think, what is it? Daiichi just had an artist doing that. So that's, if you notice, there's a repair right there in the top corner. Usually epoxy or lacquer, and then usually filled with some gold filling. So not bad. It's kind of cool. So if you're looking, it's a, repairing the old. It's kind of cool. We've got some big old tridents, black pine. Sorry, a little tired. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Which I came a little early, and we could do a pan shot here. That's everybody here. Might go back and think buy my couple pots are kind of interested. So you guys are here. Let me turn the camera around and do some closing comments here. Oh, there you go, everybody. October 5th, LA swap meet here in Arcadia. Just an hour in, sold out. Some of these people are sold out. I'm glad for them. If you guys like the video, like, subscribe, comment on some of the things I asked for you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.